There's nothing in here. You know, I wish someone made me a gift guide. Hey guys, so today's video is going to be a little bit different from the regular videos that we usually do. So obviously I'm not Trevor and I'm not Eric, so you're getting Erica today. Today we're going to go over some gift guides that are $25 or under for tech enthusiasts or just gifts in general. So the first gift we have on the list is a headphone case. So I mean, say, you know, I have Audio-Technica headphones and I break them. And Eric's like, you know, Erica, since you broke your headphones, I'm gonna buy you new ones. And to prevent them from breaking, I'm gonna buy this Audio-Technica case for my headphones. It has a good holder for wires in it, and it holds your headphones really well. And also has a fuzzy inside, so it'll protect your headphones really well. But it has a hard shell case, so if you drop it, God forbid, then you're all good. The Audio-Technica case is on Amazon for $11.99, which is, I would say, an awesome price just to protect your headphones that probably cost $150. So it's worth the $11.99 to protect those headphones. So the second gift we have on the list is a smartwatch. And it connects with pretty much almost every phone. And you can connect with Facebook, Twitter, any social media, text messages. So that's really good to have if you're pretty much on the go. The Bluetooth smartwatch is on Amazon for $24.97. So if you like to travel like me and you take a lot of pictures on your phone and your phone dies really quickly, this gift is probably for you. It's a chargeable case. So if you're on the go and your phone dies, you can at least charge your phone with this case. The battery case for the phones are $24.95. Compared to a Mophie case is about $100. And this is really good compared to that. Plus it's a lot thinner and it's probably really lightweight, so you don't have to carry around a heavy phone all the time. So this next gift is really good for photographers and videographers. It is a waterproof, dust-proof, anti-shock memory card case. And it's really cool because it has a hard shell. So like the headphone case, if you drop it, you're gonna be totally fine. If you go to a wedding and you drop it in a fountain, you're gonna be all good. If you drop it in the cake, you're gonna be all good. The couple will probably be mad at you, but at least your memory cards are gonna be all good. The waterproof, dustproof, anti-shock memory card case is on Amazon for $9.99. The next gift I think is a really good buy. It's a 50-inch lightweight tripod, and it also comes with a bag, which is really good. And it measures at 16.5 inches collapsed and it extends up to 50 inches, which is really good. It's on Amazon for $14.99 and it seems lightweight, it looks really sturdy, which is awesome. If you're just a photographer starting out and you need a tripod, it's really good to start out with. If you're a videographer just trying to start out, it's really good to use. So say if you're at a wedding and the couple was really mad that they're not at the beach. This next gift is probably for them. So this is a 6x9 foot professional green screen. So you can hang the green screen and you can put a beach background in there so the couple will be happy. It's really good to start out with. It's on Amazon for $14.99, which is a great price for something like that. So if you're like me and you like listening to music while you're in the shower, this gift is probably a really good one for you. It's a Splash Tune shower speaker. So basically, it suction cups onto the wall of your shower and it plays music. And it's waterproof, which is really cool, so you don't have to worry about it getting damaged or anything like that. And it connects to your phone. So it has a power button, a skip button, a play button, a pause button. It comes with a call button too. So if you're in the shower and someone calls you, you can press the call button and you can actually talk to them while you're in the shower. It'll make your showers a lot more fun and a lot more enjoyable. At least you won't have to sit there in a quiet bathroom. This next gift is pretty awesome for all those Italians out there, or just anyone who likes bread in general. This is Trevor's personal favorite. It's a loaf of bread keyboard and mouse wrist rest pad, and it's non-slip and it's made with silica gel. If your wrists get really sore or if they hurt easily, this is probably a really good gift for you. Just make sure you don't have a dog that thinks it's bread. So the keyboard and mouse wrist pad is on Amazon for $12.99. And the last gift that we have on here is a headphone stand with a USB charger. So basically what it does is it mounts under your desk and it has 3 USB ports. So you can plug in your phones and stuff like that. It also has a little hooks for where you can hang your headphones and your Apple Watch. And it's just really convenient to have if you don't have a lot of desk space. So this product is on Amazon for $24.99, which is a good price, I would say, for all of that. That's awesome. All right, guys, so that's all for today. What did you think of this gift guide? I thought this was pretty awesome. If you liked this video, press the thumbs up. If you didn't like this video, press the thumbs up, because all we want to do here is spread positivity. So that's all, guys. We'll catch you in the next one.